Good evening, one and all present here. I appreciate all the parents for their concern, for their time, and for their enthusiasm for the children. And really, I appreciate the way the school teachers, coordinators, vice principal, principals are nurturing students in KPS. They are constantly working very hard for the overall development of the children. Let us clap parents for all the efforts made by the school staff and yourself as well for the successful grooming of the children. My dear parents, today I am playing two roles. I am honored that the school has made me today guest for this function, and my second role as the chairman of the managing committee. So on behalf of these two roles, it is my duty to certainly share my views with the august gathering. Dear parents, I believe that we as management, you as parent, working very hard for the children and fulfilling all their desire and wishes. With this, I would like to put forth that the time is very much required to be spent with the children. Every parent should take out time to talk to children, to have a chat at home with their wards. They on daily basis should talk to them and should spend quality time with the children. It is seen that now nuclear families are there. Both the parents are working, they are sending children to the school, and they are feeling that every job and responsibility will be done by the school only. Although the school is trying hard for everything, but the role of the parent is very, very, very important. If you both are working, whenever you come home, do ask the child about the day. What has happened today? What he or she has learned? Any problem he or she is facing with the peer group, with the school, or whether the child is happy with the friends, with the teachers, with the school, and whatever is going on in the life of the child, it should be in your knowledge. Whether the child is happy, sad, or whatever, it should be in your knowledge so that you can take up the things very timely. So the child should not feel that he is getting everything but he is not getting time and concern from the parents. We are today holding annual day comprise distribution function for preschool to class 3rd. These classes are very small but very important. This age is very small but very important. In this age only, you can teach etiquettes to the child, you can teach civil sense, you can teach empathy, compassion, tolerance, sympathy. These qualities have to be inculcated in children through school and through home. In this age, the children are very shy. So we have to teach them how to mix up with their peer group, how to mix up with the relatives, how to greet them, what kind of a behavior should be done in front of which member of the family. These things can be taught at home. If you have elderly people at home, it is really very good. If they are there, then certainly they will be a helping hand in inculcating such habits and deeds in the children. With this, one thing more which I would like to share with you. In this age, some children, they might be having the habit of telling lies. They may be having habit of stealing. They may be having quality of shyness, quality apart from this show-offness. They may influence themselves by other peer group on these fronts as well. So we have to check, and with tolerance we have to correct them. Scolding is not a way out. To correct these habits with love, with affection, with moral values, we can correct them. In the lifespan of a human being, everything comes, but we as seniors, we have to correct these habits with full tolerance and sympathy. These habits comes, then they go also, but certainly we are there to protect our child, to correct them if they are wrong somewhere. My dear parents, religion also plays a very important role in one's life. Whatever religion you are following, you should inculcate, you should guide that religion in the children. If they are religious, certainly they will be away from many bad habits. If they are religious, then values certainly automatically come in children. So the religion also plays a very important role in one's life. We have to make them understand what our forefathers were doing, what is our culture, what is our religion. With this, we have to tell them, we have to guide them about the tolerance for other religions, for other caste, creed. Next, attitude. We have to guide them that oneself should be grounded, down to earth. Whatever achievements you are going to achieve in life should not affect your down to earth attitude. You should be always grounded. You should respect others. Then only you will get the respect from other people. इसमें मुझे कबीर दास जी का जो रिलीजन को लेकर और रिस्पेक्ट को लेकर एक दोहा याद आता है, अगर मैं आपको पूरी तरह से उसे बता पाऊँ। अव्वल अल्लाह नूर पाया, कुदरत के सब बंदे, एक नूर से सकल जग उपजा, कौन भले कौन मंदे। With this I conclude. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.